Welcome to a quick update on this specific padlock. In one of my recent videos I've shown you that I broke this lock. I picked it off camera and then the key would not go in any further than that, and the core was really stiff to turn. And thanks to your recommendations as comments on that video, I tried out several things. I lubricated the pin stacks, so I sprayed WD-40 in the keyway. I knocked on the top of this lock and I forced the key in like so. And I did this a couple of times and bam, suddenly the key went in all the way, and now it's turning very smoothly, and also the key has no trouble to go in like so, as it should be. So this lock is back in working order, and I can even pick this lock, and I've done this a couple of times already, without any issues. So let's give it a try, because this is really a nice pick. And I've clamped it in a vise, because then we can enjoy a steady view while I pick this lock. So a 1.3mm Peterson pry bar is used to tension the core, and I use a Peterson hook in 18 thousandths. So let's start. Start from the back, 5 is binding, click and turn on the plug, 4, okay, that's it, nothing from 5, so advance to 3, then 2, and now 1, and it's open. I've done this a couple of times already, so I know the binding order and I know how it feels. And yeah, it's a really enjoyable pick. And the best thing is that it's back in working order after the picking, so no trouble anymore with this lock. Yeah, it's fixed. Alright, thanks for watching, happy picking and happy repairing. Cheers and bye bye.